how about question sentence in the present progressive tense and negative sentence in the present progressive tense? Before starting our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with gesture. When I say teach, you say okay. This means teach me. Alright, let's get to it. Before starting our lesson, let's first understand the present progressive tense. We use present progressive to show an action that is happening right now. See, to make a present progressive, we need to be verbs and verbs ending in ing. Do you remember last lesson we learned this chapter? So then, how do you make a question sentence in the present progressive? Let's see. As you see, very simple. Be verbs come before the subject. So, class, meter. To make a question sentence in the present progressive tense, be verbs comes before the subject. Teach. Yeah, to make a question sentence in the present progressive tense, be verbs comes before the subject. Well done. For example, you can see here, she is talking. Okay? What is the verb here? Yeah, is. So how do you make a question sentence? The verb comes before the subject. So we can say, is she talking? Yes, she is. No, she is not. We can say it like that. Then, how do you make a negative sentence in the present progressive tense? Okay, meter. To make a negative sentence in the present progressive tense, be verbs takes noun. Very simple. Okay, teach. To make a negative sentence in the present progressive tense, be verb takes noun. Well done. So for example, look at this. She is talking. Is a be verb, right? So we can say she is not talking. That's all for today. Bye bye.